Hello everybody, welcome back to Silvermore Stables, the unboxing. As I said in the last two videos, I said we'll come later this week, we'll do a separate unboxing for that. My sister is doing the car things and stuff. Meanwhile, I just had to pause the video and do a part 2 because this wouldn't come out and I needed help with it. So let's take this out. So the car's much smaller, but and it has the Breyer logo on it. It's the car door's open. There's a tape here. I won't be undoing that tape. There's proper stuff inside of the car, and the steering wheel actually moves. The actual door of it, I want to show you the inside, and there's tape. I'll take the tape off this because I want to show you the inside. Sister, yeah, where are the scissors? I need. Don't have like scissors. Here are the scissors. Found them. Okay. Look. I can't open it. Let's go like this. Why can't I open this? Why can't I open this? Let's go like this. We both struggled. God knows why I can't open this. Okay, I opened it eventually. Okay, the inside is this. Ooh, so it has basically like stores that you can just have like that. I think this is an amazing thing. How do you open? Peek up, peek up, peek up. How do you? Oh, done it. Person. Okay, guys, so there's this thing on the car. I need help with it because the tape is actually really hard. Guys. Yeah, I've got this thing and I love it. Okay, guys. I opened the person, so I'm going to put it in the car. So this is the actual thing. And the roof opens. If I can get this clear band off. I don't know what they're called. Mum, can you help me put this on? Anything. Okay, yes. So you can open the roof so you can have so it's better to put the horses in. And there's, I think, like this other bit in the camper which is used to actually store the horse stuff. Like here you store the saddles and there's a door and everything. I love this. And here you put your horses in. So, yes. And how do you attach this? I'm going to now try and attach it because I do not know how to attach it. So, there's this black thing and then this silver thing. And you put the silver thing inside of it, I think. No. Yeah, you do. And it goes round quite easily. Okay. I opened these and I'm going to put this on my sister. Okay, wait. While she's doing that, yeah. Oh, it looks like it. Okay. She has a dress. She. Nope, I'm not dumb. Okay, give us a one second. I can't wait. Why can't I wait? Why can't wait? That doesn't make sense. Why can't wait? Horses. Okay, guys. While my sister, you can show it. You can show it. This is the actual horse, and I love her. Mom, I just broke the roof. Okay, so this will be the end of this video. If this video was really bad, I'm very, very sorry. But this is our third video, and we may not be very good at video making yet, but the quality of the videos will improve soon, I promise. Now, bye.